Hey there, it's Krissy from Events by Krissy, and welcome back to our channel. If it is your first time, then just welcome to our channel. We hope you enjoy our DIYs and our events, so make sure you subscribe. Today we will be making acrylic table numbers. You can also use these acrylics to make menu cards or placeholders depending on the size or variant that you get. The first thing that you're going to do is measure your acrylic cards because you want to ensure that the letters that you are typing or the numbers that you're typing into your Cricut do not exceed the size of your acrylic and they fit perfectly into the middle. I typically do about 2 to 3 inches away on either side. For these ones in particular, we are going to be doing about 2.5 inches in height, 2.5 inches for the largest size space, and that will be for the bigger numbers 2 through to 10. 1 is going to have about a 1/2 inch space because it is a much slimmer, slender number. The font that we've used here is the American Standard. Once we have it all perfected, we are just going to hit print and watch our machine go. We've lined it up to final, and we're just printing away. I feel like this is the time where we would be able to insert some music for you. If I had a better singing voice, I would definitely sing for you, but I'm sure you don't want that. So we're just gonna watch our Cricut print away. So once it's finished printing, we're just going to remove it from our Cricut, and we are going to pull off the excess material from our gold papers. I accidentally set it on the wrong setting. I set it on thick cardstock, so unfortunately it is sticking to the mat. It shouldn't be, but we're going to make it work anyway. I was printing another project for an event, and yeah, I forgot to change the setting. My bad. Don't make this mistake. Rookie mistake. Don't do it. Once you're finished struggling, you can go ahead and you can use the transfer paper that was in front of me that I didn't get to use and remove the numbering, and you can place it on your acrylic very easily. Unfortunately, I didn't do it properly, so I just had to use my hands. Fun time. But here's what it looks like once we finally get it on. It is very cute, very nice, very sleek, and you can at this point paint the back of it if you want to, so that you don't see that the other side is silver. I'm going to go ahead and paint the back white. The first thing we're going to do though is remove the protective film on the back of the cards. Before we do that, you can clean it off with some alcohol. I put cardboard on the table just because I wanted to protect the tablecloth. You can put a garbage bag, you can do this on the floor, you can do this outside, whatever works best for you. For me, I wanted to protect the tablecloth on my table, so I just went ahead and put some cardboard on there. And as you can see, very easy, one quick layer of paint, and you're good to go. The best thing to do if you don't want to hold it onto your table is to just take a little piece of green painter's tape and put it on the bottom corner or the top corner, anywhere you like, and flip that upside down, and you can keep it in place while you paint it, and it won't be shifting around. You won't have to manipulate or maneuver it. So that's one the hard way, and now we're gonna go ahead and do it the easy way so that you can see how it is done. Like I said, it is relatively easy. In total, it took about 5 minutes. Once I placed the tape on the back of all of them, it was very, very easy, very simple to do. Now that everything is painted and dried, it is the next day. We are going to go ahead and remove all of the green tape that was there and any excess paint that we have on the other side or on the edges. We're just going to use a little scraper and rub it right off. It comes off very lightly because it is acrylic tape. You can scratch it off with your finger as well, but you know, you may damage your nails. You don't want to do that. So if you do not have a scraper around, you can alternatively use a coin or another piece of cardboard to rub it off. It is very easy, very quick to do. This is maybe 2 minutes of time, relatively quick, easy and painless. And so here's the easiest part. It is just cleaning them off. You'll take a little bit of alcohol, spray it on a paper towel, and we're just going to wipe off any fingerprints that are going to be on there. Best thing to do would be to wear gloves when you're doing this so that you don't remove fingerprints just to add your own back on there, or to hold it with the sides of the paper towel when you're placing the cards in. But this is the finished product. We only painted the rectangle ones. The round ones our client wanted clear, and so we left that for them. Alternatively, if you do not want to paint it and want to give it a frosted look, you can leave the protective sheets behind it and then you'll be okay. Or you can use frosted window papers on it, and that will give it a nice frosting as well on the back, and will cover the silver part for you so you don't see that as much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, leave them below. Suggestions of any other videos or things that you would like to see. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.